Hey guys, what's going on? It's T-Carp. Alright, I've got some fun new knives for you today in our version again of the Sequoia talk or truck talk or just my own little thing of it. So guys, if you haven't noticed, it's been raining, and it's been raining a ton, and it's like darker than crud outside right now. East Tennessee, it's been wild. It's been like Seattle lately. It's been crazy. But I've got some new knives for you, and you know I can't not have new knives. I know that's terrible. I need to stop. But my buddy Dave Canterbury is about to drop these really cool little axe and hatchet combo. All right, he's working on some leather stuff, but I was able to get my hands on the prototypes. So these aren't going to be exactly what's coming out, but pretty dang close. And I want to show you that, guys, that. So what's going to be coming out soon is this. This is the knife that's going to come with it. It's 3 bolts here. It's got I believe the model that's coming out will have curly maple handles. And guys, this thing, I have messed with it a little bit. On my property, I had some our church does some stuff, and I had some deer that need to be cut up. This bad boy absolutely just slices right through it. Absolutely right through it. I love this design. It reminds me of those old like Green River knives, but man, this thing is just so it's just so nice. Easy to carry, really lightweight. I wouldn't know the weight on it, but just absolutely a rock solid little, just game knife. Love this thing. Just really just easy little butcher knife-esque knife. Really like this a lot. And if you'll notice, these don't have the PKS stamps on them. These were, I think this one was made by his son, but man, I like this knife a lot. The knife that's going to come with this combo like this, they probably made a few improvements to it, but maybe made a lanyard hole. But oh my gosh, yes, love the barrel handles. Really like this knife. All right, so there's that. Okay, and it's going to come with a badger leather, which really nice leather. This isn't badger leather, but badger leather is really nice. All right, so the next thing is this right here, which is going to be the camp hatchet. This thing is it's a good chunk, I believe, of 1095 high carbon steel. Guys, this is nice. Handles, nice wooden handles. Again, these are curly maple, I believe. This bad boy will have a lanyard hole. I love the curve here. Really nice here. You can get a good swing off of it. Really nice and thick. It's not a thin chunk of steel. It's very nice. And this has been used, and it's nice and just, hair popping. Let's see. Yep. Oh my goodness. Hair popping sharp. I do. And light and sharp. So it's hair popping sharp. Guys, this is so nice. And what you'll be able to do with this is you can take this, use that to process firewood, all this stuff. This is a great little hatchet. Full tang. But this is coming out, and this does have the little PKS logo on this one. But the one that's coming out, I believe it'll have the notch in here to remove nails and stuff like that. This one, the prototype version, doesn't. But golly, the one that's coming out, y'all will absolutely love. But I wanted to show you guys like just a little quick look at it. And in the next little bit, it'll be coming out and all that stuff. But I wanted to show you guys that. Hope y'all like it. Again, thanks for watching, guys. This is T-Carp signing out.